is bound to fall. Oh, I love those memories that I recall. Those oldies but goodies remind.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim, and today it's going to be a little short video on the progress on the dual gasser builds, the 55 and 57 Chevy. Things are coming along really well, and I'm getting close to doing some paint on the bodies. And with that, I'll bring you down and I'll show you what I've been up to. And here we go. Okay, this chassis here is for the 55. And as you can see, I've got a fuel cell battery in the trunk. Let me take the engine out. And I'll show you some, been running fuel lines. See if that's okay. I've run battery cables, fuel lines. I've run brake lines to the rear brakes. And I've got a fuel pump installed, and which is pretty well plumbed. I got one more line to put on the fuel pump. And actually I may put a wire on it too. Here's the trunk area. I haven't put the cables on the battery yet. Positive and ground. Well, other than that, it's coming out really, really well. Chassis now is in final black. I'm not going to do any more as far as detailing color-wise on the chassis. Wheels are done. They're aftermarket. I'm pretty happy with them. As you can see, the body is in primer. Same with the doors. The hood and trunk are over there. And I'm still not sure what color I'm going to do the 55. I was going to do it like a sapphire metallic blue, but I'm not sure. I painted the interior black. I am not happy with that. I'm not sure what I'm doing there either. But let's move on to the 57. Here's the chassis on the 57. Chassis is basically the same as it was. I did add this bracket to it to hold the front moon tank, which I'm putting on it. I got some fuel lines going to the fuel tank. And there's a fuel pump there. Not quite done there, but it's coming along. The body is in primer also. I'm going to be doing, hopefully, some fancy painting on this. This is just an idea of what I'm doing. It will be a gold base with also some silver base in certain areas. And I'll be using Tropical Glitz Come on, phone. Fanta orange candy, and then also regular candy apple red. Hopefully it'll come out good. We'll see. I'll be also then clearing it afterwards with MCW, their enamel clear with hardener, which I really, really like using. And that's basically an update on the dual gasser build I'm doing. With that, I'm going to put back up on the tripod and we'll finish up this little video. All right. With that, I'm going to finish up this video, and things are coming along good. And with everybody that's out there up north in this bad weather that's going on, please be safe, stay warm, and spring's coming. I'm not sure when, but it's coming. We're actually going to be cold down here in Southwest Florida. This morning was 41, And they're saying by Saturday it's going to be below 32, which is cold down here. But it's nothing like up north. That's why I moved down here. I've been down here 4 years. I'm from up in New Jersey, and I've had it with all those cold and snowy and icy winters. It's been a while since they had one like this up there. But I'm going to say again, with everybody out there, be safe, take care, peace, and I'll see you on the next video. Adios.